What if I told you Mercedes just created the perfect luxury convertible that costs less than an AMG GT but delivers more thrills than you'd expect? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the stunning 2025 Mercedes CLE Cabrio, and trust me, this drop-top beauty is about to surprise you. The CLE Cabrio isn't just another pretty face in Mercedes' lineup. This is actually the genius result of Mercedes combining their C-Class and E-Class convertibles into one spectacular machine. Think of it as the Goldilocks of luxury convertibles. Not too small, not too big, but just right for those who want sophistication without breaking the bank. Now let's talk power. You've got two choices here, and honestly, one of them is clearly the winner. The base CLE 300 comes with a 255 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder that's adequate but nothing to write home about. But here's where it gets interesting. Step up to the CLE 450, and you're looking at 375 horses from a silky smooth 3-liter inline-six with mild hybrid assistance. That's the sweet spot right there. This isn't just about numbers though. The CLE 450 rockets from 0 to 60 in just over 5 seconds, which means you'll leave most traffic in the dust while looking absolutely elegant doing it. And with Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive as standard, you've got confidence in any weather condition. The interior is where Mercedes really shows off. That massive 11.9-inch touchscreen can actually tilt to reduce glare when you're cruising with the roof down. The leather seats have a special reflective coating to stay cool in direct sunlight, and the Burmester sound system delivers concert hall acoustics whether the top is up or down. But what really sets this convertible apart is the attention to detail. That soft top, it drops in under 20 seconds without stealing a single inch of trunk space. Choose from classic black, sophisticated gray, or if you're feeling bold, a striking red that turns heads from 3 blocks away. Here's something brilliant. Mercedes equipped this beauty with their AIRCAP system. It's like having an invisible bubble around you when the top is down. Wind deflectors on the windshield and behind the rear headrests create this pocket of calm air that lets you have actual conversations at highway speeds. Add in the Airscarf neck warmers built right into the headrests, and suddenly top-down driving becomes a year-round pleasure. Performance-wise, the CLE strikes an ideal balance. This isn't trying to be a track weapon. It's designed for comfortable grand touring with just enough sportiness to keep things engaging. The steering is precise without being harsh, and the ride quality remains composed even on rough surfaces. And if you want to turn up the heat, there's the AMG CLE 53 Cabrio with 443 horsepower that'll hit 60 in under 4 seconds. It's wider, more aggressive, and sounds absolutely incredible. But honestly, for most buyers, the CLE 450 delivers everything you could want. Pricing starts at around $68,000 for the CLE 450 Cabrio, which positions it perfectly against competitors like the BMW 4 Series Convertible. You're getting more luxury, more technology, and arguably better looks for similar money. The bottom line, Mercedes has created something special here. The CLE Cabrio isn't just a convertible. It's a statement that says you appreciate the finer things in life without needing to spend AMG money to get them. It's sophisticated enough for business dinners, comfortable enough for cross-country road trips, and stylish enough to make you smile every single time you see it in your driveway. So what do you think? Is the CLE Cabrio the perfect luxury convertible for 2025? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this review, smash that like button and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Until next time, keep driving in style. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.